How to pause or delete your Upwork account. First of all, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. Next, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Account Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the Contact Info section. Make sure your email and contact details are up to date in case Upwork needs to verify your account closure. After that, scroll to the Close My Account option and click on it. Upwork will ask you to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Fill in the required information carefully. Finally, confirm the account closure. Your Upwork account will be deactivated and you will no longer have access to your profile, contracts, or earnings. Make sure to withdraw any remaining funds before closing your account. Now you know how to delete your Upwork account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.